Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all of the useful commands for bots in practice mode. So, at the beginning we have to open the console and type sv_cheats1 to allow us to use the cheats. Now we can add a bot to the game by using bot_add and choose which side you want to have our bot. For me it's gonna be CT. Oh, as you can see, bot joined the game. He's moving, so we can stop him by using bot_stop1 command. And he stopped in one place and he's not gonna move. We can make him move by using bot_stop0, but we don't want to. Let him stop. Alright, we can teleport this bot by using bot_place command, which is the most important command to practice, I don't know, for example flashes. We can see if it's gonna flash him. Yeah, it does. We can also bind this very important command to do this. Type bind choose the key you want to use. For me it's gonna be, I don't know, that, and type the same command that we used before, bot_place. Now I use that and he's gonna teleport in front of me every time I use it. Let him stay. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of this bot. To do this, just simply type bot kick and he's removed from the server. That's all of the important commands for bots. Thanks for watching, leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!